Hello everyone, I'm here today to teach you how to use Canva to create infographics. Canva is useful for creating all kinds of media, including posters, presentations, logos, and even full websites. First, you open your preferred web browser. I use Microsoft Edge, though you could use whatever one you'd like. Then go to the address bar and type in canva.com to get to Canva. For simplicity's sake, I am already logged in, though if you follow the prompts when you first open the page, you could easily create a free account. Here on the home page is a section called What Will You Design Today? And on this section, you could see there's all sorts of things that you can make, like what I've already listed. And we are going to select Infographic. Clicking this button will automatically pull up a blank one for you to mess around with. Now, once that loads, you can see that there are different templates for you to choose from. If you find one that you'd like, go ahead and give it a click, and you could start editing things that are on here. I'm going to push the undo button and get back to the blank, and we'll talk about the other part. You could also choose styles, which gives you options of different color palettes and combinations that you could have as a background. Next is elements, and these are just different things that you could add to it. You could add different shapes. If you click see all, you could see all of the different options. There's lines, there's different kinds of shapes. And all of these shapes are text boxes, if you would like them to be. So here you could adjust the positioning, you could adjust the angle for it, you could adjust the size. This one, the shape button, will allow you to change what the shape is if you selected the wrong one. The next box is color, and you could change the color of it. The lines is the border style, so you could put a border around it in different ways. And the weight changes the thickness of it. Corner rounding is if you have a square, it'll make it more rounded. Then, if you click on the center of the shape, it'll open up text. So you could change the font of the text. You could change the size of the text. You could change the color of the text. I'm going to type in hello so you can see what's going on here. And I'm going to make it bigger so we can see. And you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you could underline it. You could change it so it's not centered. You can make it a bullet pointed list. You could change the spacing between the letters, between the lines. The amount of room on the edge, make it aligned. You could even animate it, although this one doesn't work if you're going to have it printed out. You could change the position so that the shape is on different parts of the page. You could change its side. You can make it in front of or behind anything else that's already on the page. You can make it transparent. And there are a few other options. You can put a line through the words. You can make it all uppercase, all lowercase. You can copy the style that you've already used and paste it onto something else. Or you can lock it so that you don't accidentally mess it up. Other types of things that you can do is you could add graphics. If you click see all on the graphics here, you could search for a specific kind. You can choose different things, and you can use collections, any stickers that are on here. Keep in mind anything that has a crown on it is pro. That means you have to pay for it or pay for the pro subscription before you can use it. You could use text boxes, which are without the shapes, just regular text on the page. There's preset ones that if you wanted to use, you can make it really, oops, that one's a pro, such as this one. and then you could change the font by clicking in to the box and then changing it to whatever you want to be. And next, brand, pretty much ignore this one. You have to set it up previously, and you do have to pay for it. Uploads is any images that you've uploaded from your computer. You could upload more here. You could search file names for ones you've already done. And if you choose it, if you select these three boxes here for more, you could set it as the background if you wanted to. Draw is pretty self-explanatory. You just click on whatever and you could draw lines all over it. Projects is things that you have done in the past. If you click on it, you could set it as a template for something else you can do. And then finally, you can change the name of whatever the infographic is so that it'll save under a specific name. Once you're done with that, make sure to share so that you could let other people see what you've done. You can add specific people to it so that if you want other people to edit it as a group, if they have an account already, just type their name here and you could send them a link. Or you can make a collaboration link so that anyone with the link can either edit, comment, or view. Copy the link, and then you can download it and change what kind of image to save it as, and then download it directly to your computer. And then you're done. All you need is to share what you've got, and there you go.